The two webcams I am comparing right now are the YoloCam S3 and the EMEET C960 Ultra. In just a bit, I will show you which is which, but I want to run through a bunch of tests so you can kind of decide for yourself if you prefer one over the other. So let me go ahead and start turning off the lights. All right, so this is with no lights on at all other than the monitors in front of my face. So pretty dark environment right now. And this is with the overhead lights, so that's why you kind of see shadows under my eyes, just lights on the ceiling, that is it. And the last light test I will do is a bright light test, so I'm going to bounce some light off the wall, and now I'm going to turn this around and just shine it directly in my face, so we can kind of look at highlight clipping if we've got it. So if you look kind of at my forehead where it shines, you're looking for white pixels to see if it clips a lot or not. And let's go ahead, turn this back around and do some autofocus tests with my fisherman's friend. So if I move this up really fast, let's see, they're both autofocusing. How close can we get? This is about 2 or 3 inches away. Kind of just pay attention to how the focus is. Let's look at the text. Looks like one of the webcams. Oh, there we go. It's taking a bit to focus, but pretty legible, I would say. Oh, there we go. Now let's try with something a little bit more colorful. You can kind of see the colors side by side, see which colors maybe you like a little bit more. They are both pretty crisp, I would say, as far as clarity goes. So over here, we've got the EMEET C960 Ultra and then the YoloCam S3. Both of these webcams were sent to me so I could test them out. EMEET recently sent me this webcam, so that's kind of why I'm doing this test, kind of comparing with some other webcams that I have. I've really liked the YoloCam S3. I think the thing to point out is clearly the colors are a bit different. Both of these webcams do come with software that you can use to tweak some of the settings. I'm not honestly a huge fan of the software for either of these. I use everything in OBS, so I try to kind of get things set up once and then I just don't touch it again, and then I do everything in OBS. So if we look at the EMEET just for a second, I will switch over to the audio just to let you kind of hear what the mic is like. Right now I've switched over to the mic on the EMEET webcam. Let me turn this on so you can hear the noise cancellation. Not a super loud razor, but it is on. Let me turn that off. So that is what the audio sounds like here. The YoloCam actually does not have a mic, which I'm totally fine with. I think for production quality video, you're going to use your own mic just like I do with my XLR mic. But that's certainly something to be aware of. If you do use the YoloCam, you will want an external mic as there's not one built in. Let me know your thoughts if you prefer one over the other. If you were surprised by the results of this, I think honestly they both look like pretty fantastic webcams. The clarity seems great on both of these.